Dosha get pleased. A small offering you give to Shiva, he is damn pleased. We are entering into Shravana Masa in a couple of weeks. What he requires? Abhisheka, put a pour water, Abhisheka. Nothing more than that. Give him a little piece of Bilopatri, gone. He will give you everything on the earth. Then Parvati comes. Swamiji specially chose Chamundeshwari because of the Mysore lineage. The concept of Parvati or concept of Shiva, Chamundeshwari, concept of Bhuvaneshwari is most unusual concept. Devi is a total power of all the three elements. Whoever she is Devi, whether it is a Lakshmi or Saraswati or Parvati or Chamundeshwari or anything, any one ordinary Devi, any woman sitting before me is a Devi to me. A Devi is a combination of three powerful forces in the earth. She imbibes in herself knowledge, she imbibes in herself intellect, the imbibes in herself the wealth. When all the three put together, it becomes a triangle. You put all the 3 points in, it becomes a triangle. And that triangle is the starting point of Shiva's Sri Chakra. Lakshmi, Parvati, Mahalakshmi. Join them together, it becomes a triangle. The basic figure in the Tantra. And using that as starting point, the entire Sri Chakra was evolved. There are scientists in Indian Institute of Science, they are finding out the mystic meaning hidden in the intersection of the triangles. It's a challenge to them. That is Navagrahas. I need not tell about all those things. Everybody knows what Navagrahas. To me, Navagrahas appear that man has got 9 doors in his body. And there are 9 grahas. If the 9 grahas and 9 doors are interlinked by some mechanism, will be a perfect